Here are some effective home remedies for cough that you can try. Mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey with warm water or herbal tea. Honey coats the throat and has natural antibacterial properties. Note, do not give honey to children under 1 year old due to the risk of botulism. Ginger. Drink ginger tea by boiling fresh ginger slices in water. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties and can help soothe a sore throat. Note, ginger tea can sometimes cause stomach upset, so start with a small amount. Steam inhalation. Inhale steam from a bowl of hot water or take a hot, steamy shower. This helps to loosen mucus and relieve congestion. Note, be careful not to burn yourself with hot water. Salt water gargle. Dissolve 1 teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water and gargle several times a day. This can help reduce throat irritation and inflammation. Note, spit out the salt water after gargling. Turmeric milk. Mix half a teaspoon of turmeric powder in a glass of warm milk. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Note, you can also add a pinch of black pepper to enhance turmeric's absorption. Probiotics. Consume probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, or kombucha. Probiotics can support immune function and help prevent respiratory infections. Note, check with your healthcare provider if you have any dietary restrictions. Peppermint is a versatile herb with several benefits, so how can you use it? Well, you can drink peppermint tea or inhale peppermint steam. It's known to help soothe the throat and act as a decongestant. However, a quick note, peppermint may cause heartburn in some people, so just be mindful of that. Fluids. How to use. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water, herbal teas and broths. Fluids help thin mucus and keep the throat moist. Note, avoid caffeine and alcohol as they can dehydrate you. Marshmallow root. Make a tea from marshmallow root or take a supplement. Marshmallow root can coat the throat and reduce irritation. Note, consult your healthcare provider before using supplements. Thyme. Make thyme tea by steeping fresh or dried thyme in hot water. Thyme has antimicrobial properties and can help relieve coughs. Note, use thyme in moderation as it can be strong. If your cough persists for more than a few days, or is accompanied by other symptoms like fever, difficulty breathing, or chest pain, it's important to consult a healthcare professional. Do you have any specific symptoms or concerns that you'd like to discuss? Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.